Just imagine making the big bucks talking to overweight millionaires, parents of ADHD children, or lawyers looking to improve their dating life by utilizing this one simple skill, remote appointment setting. That and more inside of this video, including how to get started as an appointment setter, why appointment setting is going to be super valuable for 2025, and how to land your first gig as a setter in under 30 days. But real quick, if you want to fast track your experience of landing your role paying you $10,000 a month, then click the first link in the bio to schedule a call with our team. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first up, what is appointment setting? Well, appointment setting is basically connecting the right people to the business that you work for so that they can make money and you can make money. But you might be asking, how do I connect with these right people? Where do they even come from? And what is this mysterious business owner that I work for? See, you're so smart. You're already asking the right questions. Think about your favorite educational influencers like Tony Robbins, Ali Abdaal, or Dr. Mike. These guys are all experts in their field. Like, they are really, really good at helping people. But as you can imagine, they get millions and millions of viewers contacting them for more. They want more information. They're like, Dr. Mike, give me the goddamn shirtless content right now. Oh! People want to pay for the good stuff. And believe it or not, the good stuff ranges between $5 all the way up to $5,000. Yup, that's right. These influencers actually have products that are sold for $5,000. Hell, even Tony Robbins has a product that's $30,000. Which, by the way, don't even try searching for these products online, because none of the prices are advertised, because they know that no one is buying a $5,000 or $30,000 product with the click of a button. This is where you come in as an appointment setter to build trust and talk with a person and lean them into the sale comfortably. So you're probably like, who the hell buys this shit? And I'm like, a lot of people. Boy! Love it or hate it, it is happening at a fucking large scale. In 2024, the market cap for the e-learning industry surpassed $299 billion. And just for comparison, the entire movie entertainment industry did $1.7 billion in the same year. So the point is, people are buying this stuff, but the average consumer will not purchase anything above $3,000 unless they have a conversation with someone about it. Usually, it's a conversation with someone who's like an expert at the thing that they're selling. Right? And this is where you come in. Because although you're not an expert yourself, you are friends with the expert. And all you have to do is talk to the person to see if they're interested enough to talk with the expert themselves. That's the whole job of the setter. Super easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And the way that you end up getting paid is, let's say you talk to 100 of these viewers and 30 of them end up buying the $5,000 thing, which 30% is pretty average, considering, again, these are viewers of your brand and they're applying for a program that they know is more expensive. You get paid 5%. 5% of $5,000 is $250. $250 times 30 people, there's $7,500 that you can make right now from your laptop, from home. All you need is a computer and a phone. Now that you have a grasp around what remote appointment setting actually is, here's why it's essential you don't miss out on this in 2025. Year over year, businesses are shifting towards online solutions, and less people are going the traditional college route and deciding to get cheaper degrees online that will actually get them a job instead of paying, $80,000 for some kind of college degree that won't really do anything for you in the long term.
Did you happen to go to college?
I did.
What did you major in?
I have 2 undergraduate degrees and a graduate degree.
What are you working at now? What's your job?
This is my job.
Do you have any student loans?
Yeah, $90,000 worth.
Do you have any student loans?
About 25,000. I've lucked out.
Now you don't need to go to college to make an income. Right now you can pay 1/10 the price to learn from real world experts who are actually practicing what they're preaching on a daily basis and aren't just teaching like business principles in a college dorm somewhere when they're not actually running a business. This market is projected to be worth over $350 billion by 2030. And I wouldn't be surprised if it outpaces the entertainment industry just because people are going to the movies less and less. Simply put, as more business owners start to enter this market, which is happening at a rapid pace and will continue to just rise exponentially throughout 2025, the demand for appointment setters rises exponentially. And at this point, there are more business owners than there are talented, skilled appointment setters in the industry. And the best thing is that if you just learn this skill now, not only can you make like a very comfortable living in 2025, but you can learn skill sets that will compound in your career. Think about it. If you have ever thought about starting a business, don't you think it would be important to learn how to sell? Of course it is, which is why 5 out of the 6 sharks in Shark Tank started their career in sales and grew their skill sets from a strong foundation. Sales is just pivotal for success in any career, regardless of what you choose, and now is the time and now is the year to take full advantage of it. What experience do I need to have in order to get started in appointment setting, you may ask? That's why I love you. You ask the good questions. Many successful appointment setters that I know started their career with 0 formal training. What truly matters is the skill sets that you've probably already developed in other areas of your life. So what do I mean by that? Well, here are some skills that transfer into appointment setting already. One is customer service. If you've ever worked in retail, hospitality, or call centers, you already know how to handle people, interact with them, and handle their questions. Or if you've developed organization and follow-up skills, were you the one keeping track of schedules or deadlines in school? That's perfect, because appointment setting requires follow through. Another one is just your communication skills. Do you know how to hold a friendly, engaging conversation? That's 80% of the job right there. Even if you don't have work experience, skills from daily life work too. Managing your family schedule, that's organization. Helping a friend decide on a product, that's communication and persuasion, baby. All you need to do to get started is have the willingness to learn, practice, and show up consistently. And with a bit of training and effort, you'll be booking calls like a pro. One of the most common questions I get asked is, how long does it take to actually start earning as an appointment setter? A realistic timeline from 0 to earning is around 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, that's what Harvey did before he made his first commission. Let me break down what Harvey did to go from no experience to earning his first commission and what that timeline looks like. Weeks 1 to 4 was just learning the basics. So in the first week, his focus was primarily on just like learning scripts, taking practice calls, getting his questions answered, going through all the trainings. He was really focused on just building the foundations of what he needed to do in order to make money in the position. Then from weeks 4 to 5, his focus was on building his profile and networking. So once he learned the basics, he started networking. He joined Facebook groups and niche communities, and he just started to apply to 5 roles at least every single day. So consistency is key during this phase. Then from weeks 5 to 6, he did his first interviews and he landed his role. Most people can land their first gig in 2 to 3 weeks of active applications. What was key for Harvey here was to showcase his communication skills in the interviews that he was having. And then finally from weeks 6 to 8, it was onboarding and his first earnings. So once he got hired, he spent the first week or 2 just getting familiar with the company and what they sell. And then by week 7 or 8, he earned his first commission, which was 700 pounds in 1 day, or $900 US in 1 day. And then he's just repeating that throughout the week. If you think that this could work for you, then click the first link in the bio to schedule a very casual, friendly call with my team, where we'll just ask you a couple questions and find out like what you really need to be doing to land a role, and really if this is even right for you. Thank you again for watching the video, guys, and I'll catch you later.
We're here in Switzerland.